Welcome to Interlaken, Switzerland. Interlaken. Augustinian religious community, R waterway, municipal center, Hobühlstructure. Interlaken. Interlaken is gladly settled in the core of the Swiss Alps and considered as quite possibly of the most famous objective in Switzerland. This superb spot lies among Thun and Brienz lakes, thus the name of the city starts. The town of Interlaken makes an ideal headquarters for investigating the wonderful mountains all over the focal locale of Switzerland. The radiant city is exceptionally rich with vacation spots and offers a ton of touring. The actual town is somewhat level, and from here, you can meander through the shopping regions up into the private zones. The fundamental action in the town is shopping. A wide range of keepsakes can be tracked down inside the neighborhood trendy stores. It's an extraordinary spot to purchase knapsacks, boots, caps and a wide range of garments. The remainder of the town is exceptionally charming for strolling around also. The walkways are wide and there are dependable things to check out and various activities in Interlaken. The walk around the private area is likewise worth taking an attempt and respecting the Swiss customary chalet-style houses. On account of its favored position, Interlaken draws in numerous sightseers, particularly those who are attached to open-air exercises. It is a favored reason for every one of those who are taking part in sport enactments during both winter and summer. As it is a heaven for daring games, such as mountaineering, bungee hopping, paragliding, skydiving, and kayaking, among other fascinating things. In any case, one more choice for something less daring is to simply lease a bike and travel around. The travel industry attractions in Interlaken change their extension when winter comes, as the city totally changes into a colder time of year resort. Because of being advantageously situated in the Swiss Alps, Interlaken offers a lot of encounters. These incorporate ice skating, sledging, cross-country skiing, snowboarding, and significantly more fun exercises. Interlaken's top travel objective is the Jungfrau district, which is situated between the world-known mountains Monk and Jungfrau. Whenever you are on the highest point of the mountain, an elevation of 3,454 meters, an appreciating perspective will blow your mind and won't allow you the opportunity to squint your eyes even once. To arrive, you ought to take the most elevated train station, which has been worked inside the mountains, with the goal that the trains can run all through the year no matter what the weather patterns. The city uncovers its appeal particularly from April to May, when nature begins blooming and you can respect the intriguing perspective on the exquisite mountains. You can likewise go for a stroll along the bank of the R waterway on a warm summer day with a sublime perspective on the encompassing taking-off pinnacles of the Swiss Alps. Other than that, you can go on a quiet boat outing or an oar liner on Lake Thun, the Interlaken's west side, and Lake Brienz, the Interlaken's east side through each piece of the town. There is a choice of visiting the historical center of the travel industry, Touristic Gallery, starting around 1980, which is likewise on the rundown of must-see places in Interlaken. The three-story display is situated in the Unterseen Old Town and addresses the historical backdrop of elevated the travel industry in the entire Jungfrau area. Thanks for watching.